Hi friends, and welcome to another tutorial by Mr. Petrimo. Is your Gmail inbox getting you down? When you see the number of unread emails, does your heart begin to race? Do you feel anxious every time you open your inbox? Well, not to worry. Become a Gmail master in these few steps. Open your Gmail by typing the word Gmail in a search or URL bar and clicking the link, or you can type mail.google.com. Click the settings wrench on the top right and then choose See All Settings. Change your maximum page size to 100 for the best efficiency. You may want to check some of the other settings while you are there and tailor them to your own preferences. From here, you can also change your picture for Gmail as well as your signature line. When you are all done, remember to click Save Changes before returning to your inbox. Once back in your inbox, find the small square above and on the left of your topmost email. This square selects all emails on the page. You can select all and choose Archive. Repeat this step until you have archived all your emails. Now that you have a nice clear inbox, you may want to start getting into the habit of keeping it cleared. You should archive emails you may need later and delete emails that you won't need again. The small toolbar at the top can be helpful keeping track of and organizing your inbox. You can report spam, delete, mark read, snooze, mute, or even filter messages so that you can keep your inbox tidy. You may also want to explore the label feature, which will allow you to search your messages by the labels that you give them. Now that you have a nice clear inbox and you know how to keep your inbox organized, your Gmail can be a powerful tool. Now you can use the Compose button to write new emails or click on Reply to respond to someone. Remember, Reply All sends a copy to everyone listed in the To box, so be extra careful when you reply all. Many mistakes were made when replying to all. Now that you know the basics of using Gmail, you may want to add the app to your phone or tablet so that you can keep your Gmail at your fingertips. Remember to keep your inbox clear. Thanks friends for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.